Look at this. We are asked to solve this. The first thing we need to check, as you can see, this is not even logarithm. This is logarithm. This is logarithm. But this base is different from this base. It means we cannot solve them together. We solve them separately. So we handle this one separately, we handle this one separately, we handle this one separately because they don't have the same base. Even this one is not what? Logarithm. This is 16 raised to power 3 over 2. Now, let's see what we can do to have raised to power 2. Why am I targeting 2? Why am I targeting raised to power 2? Whatever that will be here, I don't know. But my interest is raised to power 2 because I'm seeing 3 over 2. So if I can have raised to power 2 here, this 2 I'm going to get, I will use it to multiply this to cancel this denominator here. That is my target. And you agree with me, 16 is equal to 4 times 4, which is equal to 1 to 4 raised to power 2. It means, therefore, I can replace this 16 with 4 raised to power 2. I will still retain 3 over 2. For this one, what is the meaning of this? How many 0? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You agree with me? If I move this here, I put 1 0 here, move this here, put another 0, move this here, put another 0, move it here, put another 0. Therefore, I have 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 10 raised to power 4. Okay? And what is the meaning of this? It means minus. This is giving birth to minus. Then we still put the 4. This is the one I will use to replace this. So I will come here now to say log to the base of 10, that is 10 raised to power minus 4. Let's remove this. Okay? Now, let's come for this one. Because of these 2, I want to do something in a way that I will have log 2, then 2 is directly on top of these 2. What is the purpose of that? So that this will become 1 later. So what can I do to 32 to have 2 as a base? You agree with me? 32 here, if I put 2 here now to divide this, I have 16. 2, 8, 2 is 4, 2 is 2, 2 is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 2 raised to power 5. So therefore, I can replace this with 2 raised to power 5. Okay? So now, I can multiply this. That is 4, 2 multiplied by 3 over 2. This one cannot carry 2 things like this. This one needs to move to the back of this. Also, this one needs to move to the back of this log. So we have minus 4 plus 5 log base 2 to 2. You agree with me? This will cancel this, remains 3. Plus multiply by minus. Because of this bracket, I say multiply. That is minus. This will cancel this to become 1. So that is 4 multiplied by 1. Plus 5, this is also 1 multiplied by 1. This is what? 4 times 4 times 4. That is 64. Minus, this is 4 plus 5. What is the meaning of this? Can rearrange it to be 64 plus 5 minus 4. What is this? That is 1. 64 plus 1. What is that? 65. Okay? Hope you understand this. If you have any question, do not hesitate to drop it. If you have not subscribed, follow, please follow. Share this video. Thank you.